Me, I got a funny story that my grandfather used to tell me when I was about to sleep, because I did not even have to sleep. As kings, we don't sleep. We go somewhere very, very quiet. Then I changed to a bed. I was born way back. So this song, it was Chichati go mudondo go imbwa dzangu dzapera go kwango sarama chena go. So that song it's a riddle of the white lions which are getting extinct. So the oracle will be like singing songs of mercy of people who are eating dogs, especially like Chinese. It's part of their food, but some of these things should be stopped because it's evil. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. So what happened to you Monday, Tuesday?
Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday, it was more of a riddle that my mother wanted to tell me the days of the week, but in a riddle. So she used to sing it as a song, like dear Monday, please tell Tuesday to tell Wednesday that Thursday wants to see Friday on Saturday, yours Sunday. So that's when I started to know Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
In the months.
And the month used to go like January, February, January, February, my vangu. January, February, my vangu. February, January, February, my vangu. April, January, February, my vangu. April, May, June rangu, July, August, September, October, December. Tobva takweshwa pa Christmas. Taiparwa kukweshwa. Waindoona ndakapenya ndaisa kuda ndisingapenya mpimbiri ndezvaita uzora mafuta.
Yeah.
Ndakuonekwa pa Christmas kuti ndikupenya.
Same street kid anenge agezi.
Jesu anopenya. Saka ndakasapenya zvangu rewo chana mboroverwa pamichinjikwa kana kuvharwa pato.
Koma street kids.
My street kids, in terms of street kids, let us try by all means kuti kumbirisa na president kuti my street kids is abatwe.
Inda.
Asikuda kuti tiwabate kuwanisa kujeri. Pane zvinhu zvinobohwa zvavasingade but zvichivabatsira. Zvakafanana nekudzokera kuchikoro. Dzidziswa bhutsu, dzidziswa kana kuita sei, kana ngogadzirwa kana cheo yangu itose iyo izvi. Kana ngotsvagawo zvinhu zvemachina zvakafa zvakaita seizvi, ongokweshawo wogadzira wotengesa. You can make a better living out of that. As part of the educational policy of this country, I know the president and the first lady hearing this type of a conversation that I'm speaking with someone from abroad, Matt Minox himself. He is willing to help out with the little he has. He doesn't have much. So we as youths, me standing as Maston, as an oracle, I need your help.
What does an oracle? Oracles need
oracle, it's a way of guiding. It's a way of guiding the inscription of this country. Just because the inscription of this country is the Bible itself. That's why people, when they get in parliament or when they are getting in power, that's why we use the Bible to get them sworn in.
Okay.
Like it goes like a contract.
So they...
If you don't get sworn in, you don't have the powers of the coat of arms.
So the people will make you get sworn in.
Yeah, the people vote for you, then you get sworn in.
So who's got the power? The
And
people.
if the people don't need you, you get in ultimatum.
Like,
In ultimatum is the time that someone is given a period to step out of office before 24 hours, because the army will be in control of it.
okay.
That's how this country is controlled. Because we won this country with the barrel of a gun, and we had oracles just like Maston himself.
Okay.
Yeah. Oracle like Maston, you can shoot him, but he can change to be a bird, just to sort you out.
So that means you will never die. How fake?
People like us, we don't die.
You multiply.
No, we don't multiply. We emancipate and mobilize people to live forever and ever if they believe.
Believe in what?
So if you say if you believe in what, if I tell you what I believe, that will be me.
Yeah, your personal belief.
Me, I believe there is life after death.
Okay.
Even if you commit suicide, that demon will be chasing you away. You will never run away from it.
All right.
Speaking biblically, I can go away from tradition, go biblically with the Bible, because me myself, I've got an inscription of Selassie I, the first, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the rightful ruler of the universe, Jah Rastafari, who used to make jewelry for Selassie. That is Maston, my grandfather himself, and all the feathers. Who changed to be the lion. That is my grandfather, that is Chishasha himself, Malawian. His graveyard, you can never go there because it's full of nyao. You know nyao, that's good. It's a secret. It's secret.
Yeah. Are we there?
Yeah. The grave is full of booby traps because my grandfather's father was a king. He was buried with too many people.
Okay. When did he pass away?
Way back.
Like how many years?
I don't have to remember time traveling because I was still a bird by then. I was not yet human. I was surviving as a bird.
I got a Maston.
When?
Last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
Last year I was in his schism of Selassie just to get an inscription for me to survive. Just because Changirai was dead.
Just because of that year?
Yeah, I had to go sick just because Changirai was dead. He had to die because he was a fool.
Why call him a fool? A dead person, make him rest in peace.
He just ate too much and he got fat. When he got fat, he just fucked something which was over-ripen. That ripped him off. Just like that. Better on themselves. Yeah, it's a joke to me. I will laugh. Ha 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 ha. Because you are a loser.
Say you are not you do wagambo penga.
Ndakapenga because ndakamuona chaita kuti roya. Saka kada munanda kuroya nyika yese isto inini kunoti Maston. Unonotsvaga chera mai vake vakachema zvakaita sei. Mwana wenyu aida kuroya nyika yese saka anga afe. Ndosaka akafa. Video iye ndakati Changirai ari kufa ndiripo. Inini ndakati ari kufa. Anorowa nezvichiri zvakati akaona. Ina ndirabasa ndakachikwamboka ndakachipoko kai. Tunonanaira tumidzira yetu wakawanda tuyeti kuna nairei makamama
but ko boots yaunopfeka iyayi
indopfeka zvandoda because Zimbabwe is a free country.
But waiti musana wako
musana wangu I was a psychiatric patient just you know the word psychiatric, you don't know the word psychiatric. Psychiatric, if you know psychiatric in a scientific way, or if you're a professor, if you go deeper into it, you'll be psychotic. If you're psychotic, you'll be someone like someone we can see before, during, and after.
Okay.
That's why all the rastas say, you are the puta rocking at the Gideon.
Okay.
Yeah. Famba oneka mteuro kako kanogona ngokushandiro kana bango naye vakomana vamakatwa kwatita vamwabata sekoni. Believe what you believe in so long that you know you are going to heaven. But judgment day is coming soon. Not judgment day of Magai and Makandio. They need their own type of judgment because they are poisoning people with nothing. Cockroach. I prefer smashing them. That's why the church got on fire. They don't know fire. They will see fire.
Magai
Makandiwa. They're going to kaka in church, telling. Tell them gunshot up, papa split head like pumpkin and warm to them. Heavy like Maston, never lie like Etherton Beanie. He's a bean. Silverstone is gone strong than Stereo One. That is that. Cut.